Today we're unlocking a secret at the very core of manifestation, a principle so powerful it can transform your deepest desires into reality. Welcome to the world of Living in the End by Neville Goddard. The principle of living in the end transcends mere hope, planting the seeds of fulfilled desires firmly in the present moment. But how can one embrace this practice effortlessly without the strain of trying? This principle is not just a mere technique, it's an art form, a way of being that transcends the ordinary approach to achieving one's desires. It's about embodying the ultimate outcome of your wishes in the here and now, rather than in some distant, nebulous future. Imagine for a moment that you are an alchemist, not of metals into gold, but of dreams into reality. The first step in this alchemical process is to crystallize your desires. What is it that you truly want? Is it a cascade of wealth, the thrill of victory, or the opulence of a millionaire's lifestyle? Once your desire is as clear as a diamond, you begin the work of crafting imaginal acts, vivid, sensory-rich scenarios where your wish is already fulfilled. Let's delve into some examples. Manifesting money. Picture yourself logging into your bank account and seeing an abundance of zeros in your balance. Feel the weight of your wallet, heavy with cash. Hear the sound of crisp banknotes as you count them out for a purchase. You're not merely thinking about money, you are living in the end where financial prosperity is your reality. Winning the lottery. Envision the moment you check your lottery ticket. The numbers match perfectly. Feel the surge of exhilaration, the disbelief giving way to joy. Imagine telling your loved ones, the celebrations that follow, and the plans taking shape. In your world, the jackpot is already yours. Living the millionaire lifestyle. See yourself in the driver's seat of your dream car, the engine purring like a contented cat. Wander through your sprawling mansion, each room a testament to your success. Attend glamorous events, rub shoulders with celebrities, and toast to your achievements. You're not aspiring to be a millionaire, you are one. The key to living in the end is to engage emotionally with these imaginal acts. It's not enough to simply think about them, you must feel them with every fiber of your being. Repeat these scenarios until they are as familiar as memories. Maintain the feeling of the wish fulfilled and persist against any doubt that creeps into your consciousness. Faith and persistence are your companions on this journey. They bridge the gap between your current state and the realization of your desires. By living in the end, you're not trying to manifest, you are manifesting. The universe rearranges itself to match your inner state, and the external world reflects your internal conviction. So dare to live in the end. Embrace the feeling of your desires already accomplished. Let go of the how and the when, and trust in the now. For in this magical state of being, you are not just dreaming of wonders, you are living them.